Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Yota. I'm thrilled to have you here today, and for today's video, I have an unboxing. I really am thrilled to be here today. I know I open up a lot of my videos by saying that. I'm always thrilled to be anywhere, but I'm really thrilled to be here because I have been traveling like crazy. We went to Disney for a week, came home for a couple days, and then my husband said, would you like to go to Tampa? So I went to Tampa with my husband. He actually had to do a trade show and we had to drive. So with all the stops, it was about a 9-hour drive, and we had a really good time, but we kind of squeezed in a little bit of fun, as you can see. So I'm going to do an unboxing. This is a surprise gift that my husband gifted me with for our 15th wedding anniversary. He is just so sweet. We had planned not to do gifts this year, so I am just thrilled with this gift. And but before we get started, I need to show you guys my beautiful bag of the week. Let me go get it. And I am carrying my gorgeous Fendi Can I. You guys, I love this bag. I've carried it all week and I'll change it out on Sunday, and it really does fit a lot. It's just so gorgeous. The only thing that would make it better, I always think if there were a pocket on the back, that would make it better. But this is just a fabulous bag. I love that there's the short strap and the long shoulder strap, and at some point I plan to get a Zucca print long crossbody strap for this bag. I think that would be fabulous, but I have it stuffed and all of my things fit inside. It has the beautiful suede lining. This is one of my most beautiful bags. I probably say that about all of them, but this is just a very unique bag. And I found this at Phipps Plaza, and I had looked for this bag for over a year when I finally found it, and I think it was one of 3 in the United States, so I'm thrilled with this bag. I absolutely love it, and it has the F here in gold, and then the F in silver. You guys, I'm dying for the Fendi earrings that look like this with the upside down Fs, a gold and a silver. Yeah, I think that might be my next purchase. So this is my bag of the week. You know what's so funny? You guys know you're exactly like I am. If you're watching this video, you're probably exactly like I am. You get one thing and then you're already plotting your next purchase. My husband said, does it ever end? I'm like, no. Okay, now before we do the unboxing, I do need to show you guys something. Actually, this is my second time filming this video. The first one, I messed it up. So, what I wanted to tell you is this company reached out to me, this company here, and they wanted to send me something. And I looked on the website. They have a really nice website. And let me grab my computer. This is the website, Jewelicious, if that's picking up. So they have quite a few nice things, and they sent me the Ariel bag charm, and it sells for $39.95, and they also have necklaces and other things. I haven't really had time to thoroughly check out the website, but everything looks very affordable, really pretty. And I was going to do a true unboxing with this item, but like I said, I did it and messed up the video. So this is actually the second time around. Okay, unfortunately, like I said, I messed up the first video, but it is in this box and it was wrapped up beautifully. It was wrapped up in gold and white polka dot paper, and it had a gold ribbon on it. It was really pretty, and they sent me this card with a coupon code, code 60, on your next order of 60 or more. So Jeweliciousinc.com. So it's really, really pretty, you guys. I love it. So let's open it up. And it is so, let me take it out of this box so you can see it better. It is a beautiful bag charm. This is absolutely gorgeous. Let's do it like this. See if it will. So it has gorgeous rhinestones, very sparkly. That's the first thing I noticed when I took it out of the box. Very glistening. It's $39.95, called the Ariel Bag Charm. I love the flower motif. And of course it has a really nice lobster claw clasp, that's hard to say, on both ends. And I'm going to put it on my Speedy, my Damier Ebene Speedy. I could use it on a lot of different bags, but they reached out to me and wanted to send this to me. And you guys, the quality is it's really weighty. It's quite, like I said, it's very sparkly. It's a beautiful gold tone. And so check out the website, jeweliciousinc.com. Okay, now that we got all that out of the way, it's unboxing time, but it's actually a reveal because I actually have already unboxed my item. You guys, you can't expect me to wait an entire week. If I ever do an unboxing, it's really rare. Okay, like I was saying, it was our 15th wedding anniversary. We had decided not to do gifts this year. But my husband said, I'm taking you to Louis Vuitton. And this is something that I had been saying that I would like to have. It's something I've never had before. So it's not a handbag. I've had quite a few of my friends say, I can't wait to see what handbag you chose. It is not a handbag, you guys. So what do you think it is? If it's not a handbag, what do you think is in this bag? Don't you just love it when YouTubers just keep you hanging and show you the card and the receipt and all that stuff? We're not gonna do that. Okay, I'm not gonna keep you hanging anymore. So, let me pull it out of the bag and show you the box. So here is the box. And it is a box like this. Probably pretty obvious. Here's the receipt. I love that they have shortened the receipts, so I don't have to undo the bow. I love these boxes. I love to keep jewelry and things inside of them. So let's go ahead and open this baby. All right. There are 2 dust bags. All right. So let me lay it down right here. And I'm so excited. I've been wanting these for quite a while, and by the shape of it, it's pretty obvious what it is. So let's pull it out. I'm so super excited. I've already worn these twice. The runaway sneakers. Are they not gorgeous? You guys, I love them. My husband was like, why do you want those? I don't think he was a fan, but you know what? The moment I saw these on the website, I was like, these are beautiful. I love the gold, the suede. I love black and monogram together. I don't have a bag with the black and monogram combination, you guys. I have to have that. Other than I do have my Palm Springs backpack, but I love black and monogram together. Let me get the other one out and show you the pair. I'm so excited, and they come in 4 other colors. You can get solid white, and you can get, oh, the pink suede ones are absolutely gorgeous, and there's white with, I think, kind of a chambray blue. So there are other colors available, but for the fall and winter, I just love these. I think they are pretty seasonal. For me, they will be. I don't think that I would wear these in the summer or the spring, but I would love to have another pair. And you guys know I'm like that. I get one thing and I want another one, you know, in another color. I did try on the front row sneakers, and they're really cute, but they just, I don't know, they just weren't me. These are definitely me. So I love them. Oh, and I thought there is another color combination. You can get them with the Damier Azure on the front here where the monogram is. I love that combination too. But also, they come with a extra set of shoestrings. So really, then I could put the white shoestrings on them, maybe for early spring. But I do feel like these are quite seasonal. I just don't think, you know, I would wear these in the summertime, but I love them. I'll probably get tons of use out of them. And what I will tell you about them so far. So I got them. We went to the trade show the next day and I told Keith, I said, I'm going to wear them. And I had them on probably all total about 9 hours the first day. And after about 8 hours, my feet felt really tired. But Keith said that's, you know, with any shoe, but they are quite weighty. I can't talk today. I'm out of the loop. They are, you know, pretty heavy, but also at the same time, when I put them on my feet, they felt very cushiony, very comfortable, and really, I didn't really notice anything until about 8 hours later. And I just felt like my feet were just really tired. But I was walking around a lot. I would walk around the convention hall and just on my feet pretty much most of the day. And then the next day, I decided I would wear them again. And that day, the trade show was like 10 hours. So we went to dinner with Keith's niece who lives in Tampa, going to the University of Tampa. And I would say the second day, I probably had these on probably a good 14 hours. I did get a blister. So, you know, I don't know. I just think they're great. You could wear them shopping all day, but really after about 8 hours, I really did start to feel the weight of the shoe. My feet were just really tired. But other than that, they're great. And I love them. I'm thrilled with them. I'm so happy that my husband gifted me with them because like I said, I've been looking at them and, you know, thinking about them for a while, and they're my very first pair of luxury sneakers and they won't be my last. I absolutely love them. Irene, you need these sneakers. You need them because you can wear them into the city and then change into your heels when you get to work. So I would definitely recommend them. And oh, they are true to size. I tried on the front row sneakers, I needed a 7.5, and this size I needed an 8. So I would say they're definitely true to size. And there was, you know, the 7.5 in the front row fit about like these in the 8. So if that helps you at all. And so anyway, that's all I have for you guys today. I'm so happy to be back, so happy to be filming again. And I just feel like I've been gone forever. I've missed you guys. I love you guys. If you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I am fast approaching 2,000 subscribers. Once I get to 2,000 subscribers, I am going to be doing another giveaway. And this time it's going to be an original piece of artwork by me, and I've had a lot of people that seemed really excited about that, so I'm excited that you're excited. And do subscribe, click the notification bell, and leave me a comment if there's anything else you'd like to see on my channel. I am planning to incorporate artwork into my channel this upcoming year. So we're always changing and evolving. You never know what we're going to be doing on this channel, but number one is luxury. So thank you guys for spending time with me, and I will see you guys again next week.